Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are doing another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. There's a backslash in there somewhere. This is for the month of November 2020, so let's go ahead and dive right in. This is what this month's glam bag looks like. It is 3 different colors. There's a navy color, brown, and then this kind of nude taupey color, if that's what you want to call it. And then the tassel on the bag says Ipsy and it's pink. If you guys have never seen any of my Ipsy Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus unboxings, I'll make sure that I link a video up here so you guys can check it out, get a little more information. But basically, the glam bag is $12 every month. It comes with 5 deluxe sample size products, and then the Glam Bag Plus comes with 5 full-size products, and it retails at $25. The first product we have this month is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is a lip gloss. This is in the shade Moon Jelly. I've actually never tried any of Anastasia Beverly Hills's lip products, so this will be nice. I typically don't wear lip gloss. However, with the winter months, with COVID and everything, wearing a mask, I feel like my lips are getting even more cracked than they normally do around this time of year. So it's good to have, just keep this in the car, keep it in my purse, keep it in my scrubs, whatever it is. It's always nice to have these. You can really put them anywhere. And it's just an iridescent lip gloss. It's a nice, good size to have. Again, you can never have too many lip moisturizing products. Speaking of lip products, the next product is from Tarte Cosmetics. This is their Lip Sip. It's a vegan lip oil. I've also never tried any lip products from Tarte, so this will be interesting to try as well. This is interesting packaging that it comes in. I'm not sure what the purpose of this purple part is, whether it's just for aesthetic or if it's functional. It smells like every lip gloss that I ever smelled or owned in middle school, like cotton candy bubble gum. And this is the shade Fresh Press. I'm assuming that this is lip gloss. It just looks like a clear lip gloss. Swatched on the back of my hand, that's what it's showing up as. I actually prefer lip glosses that just show up clear because you can do a lot more with that rather than tinted lip gloss. I feel like with clear lip gloss, you can put matte lipstick on, you can put a lip liner on, you can do a lot more. So generally, I'm not a lip gloss girl, but if I had the choice, I would go with something like this. And it actually says @SugarRush for Instagram, and then it has their website as sugarrushbeauty.com. But it says Tarte on this, so I don't know if this is like how ColourPop has Soul Body, if it's a division of Tarte Cosmetics. Next up from Ico London, we have this Rock Out and Lash Out mascara in the shade Beatnik Black. I'm a firm believer that you can never have too many mascaras. Mascara is just wonderful. I think that mascara is now my go-to thing because with mask, it is the only way to look alive and not ruin your mask because you're only seeing from your eyeballs up. I have tried some products from Ico. I really do like their eyeliners. So it's nice to get some mascara from them because I've never tried any of their mascara. Next up, we have a product from Tatcha, and this is the Deep Cleanse. I actually don't know what this product is. I've only tried one thing from Tatcha and I really, really liked it. Tatcha is one of those higher end skincare products. It's something that you're definitely going to have to invest in, but I did have a good experience with the one product that I tried. On the back, it says clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. Directions apply to wet face, avoiding eyes, and rinse. So it's just a cleanser. And to be honest with you, I actually might use this tonight. And the final thing for this month is from Glow Recipe. This is their Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. And on the container, it says calming and hydrating. I've actually never used anything from Glow Recipe. And then on the back of the container, it says magnesium, centella, azatica, and turmeric. Inspired by K-beauty technology, made in the USA. And that's really all it says. So this is just a moisturizer. And it actually does kind of smell like bananas. I rubbed a little bit out on my hand and it has this kind of water gel. It reminds me of the water sleeping mask from, ooh, what is the name of that company? Belief. It reminds me of that. It's very, very light, blends out very easily, and absorbs into the skin. It doesn't leave the skin feeling like there's some heavy residue on the skin. So I really like that. Just light, very light product. So that is everything for the Glam Bag for this month. Moving into the products from the Glam Bag Plus. This is what the Glam Bag Plus looks like for this month. So just a bigger version of the Glam Bag itself. And I'll show you guys in comparison. It is just this sack that has the drawstrings on it. First up, we have a product from Tarte. This is their Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. That was a very action-packed product right there. It has multi-purpose. And this is in the shade Icelandic Black. Oh wow, that is really big. Wow. Flip down to curl. Wow. I thought this was just going to be mascara, but looking at the back of this, it says after one application of mascara plus curler, participants observed 100% lengthening effect, 100% curving effect, and 85% volumizing effect. 100% of women said lashes looked longer and visibly lifted. So curl lashes with built-in half lash curler used before or after mascara for added lift. Achieved longer voluminous lashes with up to 186% increase in curve. Okay, there's an eyelash curler. I will zoom in so you guys can see. There's an eyelash curler here, and then, oh wow, you can, okay, yes, you flip this little thing down and it curls your lashes here, but then, hold on, let me put the lid back on this guy. You twist this off. It is mascara. This is fancy. This is too fancy for my blood. Wow. Wow, I want to know how much this costs. I want to look it up. So this is a full-size volumizing mascara, but it is also an eyelash curler. That's pretty nifty. Next up, we have a product from Kate Somerville. This is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It is said to condition, restore, and also revitalize and resaturate the skin. Again, I have never tried anything from Kate Somerville. I am very new to all things skincare just because I do have such sensitive skin, and I'm pretty scared to try new things just because I don't want to have some violent allergic reaction as I usually do and then have to wait anywhere from a week to a week and a half before I can incorporate things back into my skincare routine. As it stands right now, my skincare routine is using Dove unscented soap or Dial soap. That's really it. And I can use the Sunday Riley A+ retinoid serum. Those are about the only two things that I'm super confident in that I don't have to worry about using sparingly. I was expecting this to smell like goat cheese. It just smells like Elmer's glue. And rubbing it out on my hand, it just feels like a lotion. Definitely rubbing it on the back of my hand, I can see my hand, I don't want to say it looks more vibrant, but it looks like I put lotion on. Like it looked like I was ashy, and now my hand has like a nice little sheen to it. So definitely something. Hopefully I can use this on the daily because with COVID, again, I feel like in all my videos, all I talk about is COVID, my skin, working at the hospital, and things of that nature. But with coronavirus, I really just wake up, wash my face, take a bath, go to work, and put on my mask, wear my mask for 14 hours, come back home, wash my face again. So it'd be nice if this moisturizer does work out and this is something that I can at least put on a daily basis going into work. And on the side of the box, it says AM and PM. And on the side of the box, it says how to use. AM and PM apply an even layer to clean skin, clinically tested to be safe for sensitive skin. So they knew I was coming. They knew that I needed something. And on the side of the box, it says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. And it has milk proteins, jojoba, and avocado oils. I'm excited. Hopefully this is something that we can add to the skincare arsenal. Next up, we have a product from Violet Voss, and I feel like this is a eyeshadow palette. I've been getting a lot of eyeshadow palettes, which just means that I need to bite the bullet and actually record an eyeshadow look for you guys. Ooh, these are pretty. So we have another eyeshadow palette and it comes with a mirror, very nice. We have 6 colors here. The colors are Silk, Coral Pop, Pretty Peach, Champagne, Teddy, and Choco Latte. So we have 5 matte shades and 1 shimmer. The shimmer is Champagne and it's down here. So definitely comment down below if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial with this palette, but these are definitely giving me pumpkin spice vibes. Next up, we have a brush set, and this is from Farah. This is the Be Beautiful BU brush set. We have the 205 brush. This is the Fly Wings. We have the 6 brush. This is short shading. We have the 3 brush. This is the mini tapered blending brush. We have the 6.5E large shading brush. And then finally, we have the 3.5E tapered blending brush. And they all come in this silver color. I always say you can never have enough brushes. It makes my life a lot easier when it comes to wash day with my brushes. I actually hate washing brushes, and I said it last month. I always say this, I would rather buy new brushes than wash my brushes because I feel like it's just so time consuming to wash all of your brushes. Speaking of brushes, we actually have another brush for this month. This is from the brand MOTD, and this is their A Perfect 10 brush. This is very, very soft. This is a nice soft brush. And I definitely see myself using this for blush, using this for applying some kind of powder. And then the final products that we got for this month's Glam Bag Plus are again from Farah. And this is their Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigment. So on the information card, it says, a lipstick line with a busy modern woman in mind. Our liquid lipstick packaging is square shaped so your hands will stay put when you set them down. No more chasing runaway lipsticks. Be beautiful, be you. I like that, actually. These lipsticks are said to be long lasting with full pigment color. They're supposed to be comfortable for all day wear. They're also said to have a non-feathering formula. It has a flat doe foot applicator for ease of use. And finally, these are said to have one swipe application. So in this line, it looks like there are 9 shades total and they sent over 3. So you get to try a third of the collection. And the shades that I got are Cocoa, Tiffany, and Farah. So swatched on the back of my hand, this is Farah, Tiffany, and Cocoa. Farah is a beautiful fire engine red. Tiffany is like this mauvey pink color, and then Cocoa is somewhere in between like a brown brick color. These are definitely all colors that I would wear. They do have a little bit of a scent to them, but honestly, it doesn't really bother me. I think scents more so bother me when it comes to foundation and concealers. So that is everything for this month in my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Comment down below if you guys got the Ipsy Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus this month, what you guys got. If there are any focused reviews that you guys want me to show you on this channel, definitely comment that down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys can find me on Instagram. You guys can find me here on my blog, all over the internet. You guys can find me. It's going to be down in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.